Okay, good morning. We just talked about interpreting change in exponential models, and now we're going to talk about interpreting time. And this is another quick and easy one. It'll maybe take like 6 minutes or so. So Cameron sent a bunch of chain letters to his friends, asking them to forward it on to more friends. And the relationship between elapsed time they did this is modeled by the following functions. Now, here's the deal. Anytime they're going to be asking about time in this assignment, and they just want you to show that you understand how this formula works. And the way that this formula works is if you've got your exponent up there and it's being divided by something, anything, that tells you the time, the amount of time that's going by, and how this is working. Another way to think about it is this is basically saying this is going to have whatever this changes, it's going to happen one time for every 2.5 days. Okay. One time every 2.5 days. So when they're saying every blank days, the number of people who receive this email increases by this 83%, well, then it's just 2.5 days because this happens once every 2.5 times. So let's do another one. Again, this one is saying this 3/8 factor is going to change, this change in the number of bacteria, and it's talking about medicine and bacteria, is going to happen one time, it's supposed to say the word time, once every 7, is this days or minutes, seconds? Ooh, I need to change that. Once every 7 seconds. Okay, so when they ask you down here, okay, this factor is going to happen every blank seconds. Well, it's 7. Now, it might get a little confusing because it says 3/8 up here and 5/8 down here. And remember, that's just the way that they worded it. And the way they worded up here is, or the way they're asking the question down here, it says the bacteria loses 5/8 because it only has 3/8 left every time. So it's losing 5 of those 8s every 7 seconds. Okay. This one, it's being cut in half every once per 5.5 seconds, right? This is in seconds. So once every 5.5 seconds, no big deal. This is a quick one. So this interpreting time is quick. The population of locusts gains 47% of its size it's gaining 47% every 4.8 seconds. 4.8 seconds, because this is going to happen once every 4.8 seconds. That's what that fraction means. It's going to happen once every 4.8 seconds. Okay, and that's it. If you want a little extra practice, I'll do that one again, just to make sure we're getting good at it, and then you can do it on your own. So interpreting time on exponential models. Here we go. So it's losing 3/7 because it only has 4 sevens each time every t divided by 3, so every 3 years. This is going to happen once every 3 years. It's quadrupling, which means multiplied by a factor of 4, right here, once every 10.5 minutes. So, and that's what they're asking, every 10.5 minutes. This one, it's losing 7/8 of its mass because it only has 1/8 of its mass left. And that happens once every 2.05 months. It's kind of random, but it works. Once every 2.05 months. It's gaining 47% because it has 100 plus 47% in here. once every 4.8 days. And that's it. Coolio. All right. You rock. Have a great day. Bye bye.